Have you ever wondered what would happen if we poured Jupiter's gas onto Earth? Stick around. This is about to get seriously weird. Let's start with what Jupiter's made of. Unlike Earth, Jupiter isn't solid. It's a giant ball of mostly hydrogen and helium, plus a sprinkle of ammonia, methane, and water vapor. Imagine a planet-sized fizzing soda can, with no surface to stand on. Now what if, somehow, we grabbed a huge scoop of Jupiter's atmosphere and dumped it on Earth? First thing to know, even a tiny fraction of Jupiter's gas is more than you'd ever want visiting your backyard. Let's say we poured Jupiter's gas evenly over the planet. The air we breathe is mostly nitrogen and oxygen, but now we'd be surrounded by thick, choking hydrogen and helium. Not exactly vacation weather. Breathing, forget it. Hydrogen isn't toxic, but it doesn't support life. You'd suffocate in seconds. Helium would make your voice go squeaky, until you passed out. And that's just the start. Jupiter's gas is much lighter than Earth's air. Instead of hugging the ground, it'd shoot upwards, pushing our regular atmosphere down. That means chaotic weather, wild storms, and possibly super tornadoes as the two types of air collided. But here's where it gets really wild. Dumping tons of hydrogen into Earth's atmosphere would make things dangerously flammable. One lightning bolt, one spark, and boom, explosions everywhere. Plus, hydrogen's great at leaking away. Some might slip into space, but a lot would stick around, especially if we dumped enough of it. Over time, the planet could end up with a much thicker, heavier atmosphere, crushing us under its weight. And about that ammonia and methane from Jupiter, bad news. They're toxic, they stink, and they'd make Earth's air basically unbreathable. But it doesn't stop there. If we kept pouring Jupiter's gas, the pressure would rise fast. Eventually, the air would be so dense we'd feel like we were standing deep in the ocean. Most life, gone. Skies, permanently cloudy. Sunlight, maybe just a faint glow. And finally, if Earth somehow kept all that gas, it could start to look more like a mini Jupiter than the blue planet we know. Oceans might boil away, and the surface would be a toxic, crushing soup. Not exactly a place you'd want to visit. So, next time you look up at Jupiter in the night sky, be glad it's staying put. Earth's atmosphere might seem ordinary, but trust me, it's exactly what we need. Thanks for watching. If you love wild science questions, hit that subscribe button and drop your weirdest ideas in the comments. See you in the next one.